Hi guys, in today's video we are going to paint this beautiful painting in simple 4 steps. So let's get started. So these are the requirements we are using for this painting. For the background we need the color green, but as a landscape artist sometimes I am running out of green, so I am mixing up the color primary blue and primary yellow to have the color green. Also we need little bit of viridian blue to have this beautiful green shade, but we need a dark green for this background, so I am mixing some black to it and I am applying the color green on the top. So we need a gradation of dark green and light green in this canvas, so I am mixing up little bit of white to have a light green color in the middle of the canvas. Once we finish this background, let's paint the background trees. So we need the background trees in dark shade of green, and I'm using my flat brush to paint the background trees. Now let's move to the second step to paint the foreground. To paint the foreground we need the gradation of dark green to light green. So I'm applying the dark green in the bottom of the canvas, and in the middle we need some lighter shade of green. So I'm mixing some white to have this lighter shade of green. As we need to paint some magical and glowing butterfly, so we need some land that is so vibrant and bright. So I'm mixing the color monastral green and I'm applying here, and also once the layer is completely dry I'm going to apply more vibrant green and yellow to the top of the color, so that we have the land of that is so vibrant. So always check if your previous layer is completely dry, then apply the second layer on the top. And now let's paint some grass. So I'm using my detailing brush to paint the grass. So once we finish painting the grass, let's paint the magical butterfly. So in the third step we paint the magical butterfly. So first we need to draw some circles. So I'm using the color yellow to make this butterflies as glowing, and I paint them in a circular motion. And also remember we don't need to have a very sharp edges, so try to blend the edges with the background. So once we done this, and now let's paint the butterflies using the color white inside the circle. Here I am painting these butterflies using my detailing brush, as we need a very small butterflies. Once we finish painting the butterflies, let's move to the final step, that is the little girl painting. So first we need to paint the cloth of the girl. So I am using the color red to paint the frog. For this little girl painting, we need to paint the side profile of the face. So I am painting the side profile using my detailing brush. Also I am using the same brush to paint the hair. For the final touch of this painting, we need to paint a butterfly that is too close to the girl. So I am doing the same process. First I paint a circle, and now I am painting the butterfly. And once we finish this, we need to paint some butterflies here and there to finish this painting. After almost 3 hours of painting, we finally finished this beautiful painting. So let me know in the comment section how much you like this painting, and I will meet you guys with another beautiful painting with simple tutorial. And until then, have fun with colors.